Before I even move on, I'm just going to change the color within the CSS file for the A links, because you can't see it. Just put it back. Main p tags. Set the color as black. There you go. Now you can see what's going on, because otherwise you can't see. Okay, so now that I've changed the CSS, now I can check if my link is working. If I tap on it, as you can see, it's working. Great. So let's head back. The image is also not displaying correctly. So if we go to image, within CSS we can go to image and we can just add the display. Let's just say display flex. Water. Right, so that seems to be okay now. It's much better. I don't like this common sense party. It's also, yeah, the color is just it's too dull. It's very important to use contrasting colors within an HTML document. Alright, so number 8, the band has asked you to include a video from a recent live performance. In the file shows.html, below the H1 heading that displays upcoming shows, create a video element. Play with the height and width attributes until the video size looks right to you. Then set the video source to, okay, so just below the H1 heading. Set point to 320. Controls. Okay, so let's run that. Okay, there's the video. Let's just change the width to 600. Then let's add the source. If you recall, in the video, source separate. Separate tag. That's HTTPS. Guys, remember to type out. Remember to type out all this data and content, because it's very important to develop your muscle memory. I'm learning every day, and I don't want to stop learning. So I don't know. I just feel that like we should all develop as human beings as much as we can and appreciate what we have. Because a lot of people out there don't get this opportunity. Some people just work all their lives in labor jobs, and they never develop themselves. And sometimes they don't even realize there's something wrong with it. They feel that there's nothing wrong with them, but like when it comes to when I think of myself, I just feel like I'm always lagging behind, like I'm never good enough. And sometimes it's good to think like that, because you're going to constantly improve on your skills and your vocabulary, your computer science skills, your coding skills, you name it. Okay, so let's quickly run that. Okay, so that's a bit too big because it's not within the body, yeah. So I'm just gonna set it to 500. That's better. That's a bit better. If we want, we can even add a div. I think we should add a div, yeah. Just so that it looks a bit better. What do you guys think? So if we run that. It's a bit more centered. That seems okay. There's something else we can use, which is a break. Let's use another one. I don't know how that looks to you. Let's remove the div tags. Just yeah. It's plus minus the same. There's not much difference. Alright, so let's take that down. The video works. So click here for a video walkthrough from our exports to help you check your work. Alright, so this is all correct. This is all done correctly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson.